In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to admit Zoom attendees from a waiting room. If you host meetings where people arrive early or you want an extra layer of control over who joins, the waiting room is your best friend. I'll walk you through exactly how to admit people smoothly, keep the meeting secure, and avoid awkward delays. Start by opening Zoom on your computer or browser and signing in if you aren't already. Then start your meeting as you normally would. If the waiting room is enabled for your account or this meeting, anyone who uses the link or meeting ID will land in the waiting room first. If you don't see a waiting room, that setting may be off. But today, we're focusing on admitting people once they're already there. Invite people by clicking the invite button inside the meeting controls. You can copy the invitation link or meeting details and share them with your attendees. As people start to join, you'll see a notification that someone is waiting. Zoom usually shows a pop-up with their name, and you'll also see a badge on the participants button at the bottom of your screen. To admit someone, click participants to open the panel on the right. At the top, you'll see a waiting room section with the names of people queued to join. Hover over a name and click admit to let that person in. If several people arrive at once, you can use admit all to bring everyone in together. That's great for large sessions when you're ready to